In this video, I'll be showing you how to draft the double hole neckline. First of all, we'll be drafting our basics block. Then we take our shoulder measurement divided by 2. We mark our armhole divided by 2. We mark. Then we roll the two lines together. For us to get a proper cuff armhole, we'll be dividing our armhole by 2. Then we find the midpoint and mark inward with ½ inches. Then mark 1.5 for the proper curving of the armhole. You connect the two dots together. After connecting the two dots together, we'll be taking our shoulder to bust point, our shoulder to under bust, then our shoulder to half length. We are rolling the line so that it will be easier for you to identify the bust point, under bust, and the half length. We'll mark the nipple to nipple measurements on the bust point, on the under bust. On the bust point, you are going up with 2 inches for your chest line. Then you rule all the lines together. Rule all the lines together. After that, we'll be labeling the lines. We label the chest line, the bust point, the under bust, then the half length. For us to draft our dart, from the bust point we are going down with 1 inches. We mark. Then we come to the half length, we'll be marking ½ inches on both sides. Then we connect the ½ inches back to the 1 inches we came down earlier, like this. Then we'll be marking out our body measurement. You take your round bust, you divide it by 4. You place it on the bust point, you mark. Your round under bust, divide by 4. You place it on the under bust, you mark. Then your round under bust measurement, divide by 4. Still take it down to the half length and mark. Note, I did not add any sewing allowance. When you finally sketch your own, when you're cutting on the fabric, please insert 2 inches for your body allowance. For the neck length, we'll be taking 3 inches. Then the neck depth will be taking 5 inches. You are connecting the 5 inches from the neck depth to meet the neck length of 3 inches. If you can't use the French curve for the neck, keep it aside and use your free hand like this. On your center front, that's the chest line, go in with 1.5. From the 1.5, go in with 4 inches. On your chest line, go up with 5 inches. You are connecting the 3 dots together. That's from the 1.5 to the 5 inches, from the 4 inches to the 5 inches, like this. Guys, we are done sketching, so let's cut out and see the final results. So guys, I'm done cutting. See the final result. If you like this, please comment, like, and share. Thank you guys.